This looks like, come on now, this is my natural hair. Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve this swoop ponytail on your thick natural hair, your whole lot of natural hair. Plus, if you want to attach some weave, I got you, sis. Okay, we can do Marley hair, we can do curly bundles. I'm going to show you exactly how to do both. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm working with freshly washed hair. There's actually no product in my hair. I just put my hair into 4 plaits in order to stretch it a little bit. So first things first, we're gonna establish my part. I'm going for a curved part, a curved side part. So that is what I'm gonna do first with my fingers. Now I'm going to take my rat tail comb with a metal end. You need a metal end, and I'm gonna actually clean up that part. Which means that all of the hair on this side is going to be going this way. This hair is going to come straight down, and that is how we're going to achieve our ponytail. So I actually already have a tutorial on my channel on how to achieve this slick bun and the way that I do this 2 ponytail method. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on slicking down the bottom half, and then I'll come back to y'all when it's time to swoop out this front half. Okay, we're giving very much 90s my mama's hairstyle back in the day, and I'm here for it. Okay, so we've done the rough draft of our bottom pony here. Now we need to focus on this section of my head. That's going to be where it gets a little bit more difficult. I'm going to lightly twist my hair, putting the edge control on the perimeters and just trying to smooth. This can be hard if you have a lot of hair on your head, let's be honest. If you have fine hair, this hairstyle is probably very easy for you. Kudos to you, girl. But if you do not have fine hair, this is going to take some elbow grease. So since our hair is already plaited up, I'm going to show you one thing that you can do with your hair exactly like this, and that is just adding some bundles to it. So I have a couple of old scraps of curly hair. Now all you need is a bobby pin. I'm sure y'all have seen this process. Just going to attach the bobby pin to the bundle, stick that bobby pin in, and just start wrapping. So obviously if I had enough bundles, I would be able to wrap all the way up of hair from the end of the bundle and wrap that around the top to secure. And then you could have you a nice little cute curly ponytail. That's not all that you can do with a swoop ponytail. So let me go ahead and show you some other options just in case you don't have bundles on hand, or you're going for a more natural look. So for all my girls who like to mimic their natural texture, their natural kinky texture, I got something for y'all too, okay? Just hold on. You can use some kinky hair, some Marley hair. This one is from Outre. It is the Expression Sprinky Afro Twist in 24 inches. I actually use this hair to do my own spring twist / kinky twist. I'll link that video up above. But you can use this hair to add to your ponytails. I'm going to actually plait it in with my natural hair just to give me a little bit more volume. And once you get to the end of your natural hair, just start borrowing hair from the other sections. And once you get to the end, just secure with a rubber band or a ponytail, whatever you have. Now, you have a braid that looks exactly like your natural hair. You just added a little bit more length. And the best part about this one is it's seamless, because literally this looks like, come on now, this is my natural hair. So that is it, y'all. I just want to show you 2 different methods of attaching hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Fun fact, I already have a video like this on my channel, but foundation in that video is atrocious, y'all. It didn't look like that on the mirror, okay? It didn't look like that with my real eyes, but when I watched it back on camera, wow, atrocious. So we're refilming this video because I'm gonna go hide that video, never to be seen again. So watch this video, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.